Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to enable push notifications on eToro application. To enable push notifications on eToro, first of all, open up the eToro app and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you've end up in the main home page, tap on the three horizontal lines appearing at the top left corner of the screen. Now, click on the Settings button from the menu. Scroll down and tap on Notifications from the Settings menu. Select the type of notification you want to enable and make sure that the toggle button right next to them is turned on. There are different categories that you can find and toggle on the button right next to them in order to enable a specific notification settings. You can turn on notifications for eToro, eToro desktop, email notification, push notification, and WhatsApp notification as well. Make sure all the buttons are toggled on and turned green in order to receive a specific notification from eToro. If you ever want to turn off push notifications, you can go ahead and get to the Settings app on your mobile device. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Under Apps, look for the eToro app and then tap on it. Select the Notifications option from the Allow eToro to Access list and turn off the green button right next to Allow Notifications. And that's how you easily enable as well as disable push notification in eToro application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.